Hi friends, welcome to Nivvi's Magic Box. Do you know why India calls Jambu from ancient texts? Don't know? Okay, I will tell you. This word literally means land of Jambu trees, which are our jamun trees, which were abundant in the Indian subcontinent. Also, Jambu dweep is considered the central continent of the seven continents, fiscal center of the world. Not only that, where great teachings like those of the Buddha spread his teachings across the world. For more interesting videos, please subscribe. Bye bye. Do like, share and subscribe.